In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a professional certificate from a blank slide or a template. We'll begin by opening your slide software and starting with either a clean, blank slide or a certificate template. Templates can speed things up because they come with pre-built layouts, but a blank slide gives you total creative control. If you choose a template, think of it as a starting point. You'll still customize fonts, colors, and spacing to match your occasion. Next, set the slide orientation and size so the certificate prints correctly. Landscape works well for most certificates, but portrait can feel more formal. Choose a standard size like letter or A4, or set a custom size if required. It's a good idea to leave comfortable margins so nothing important gets too close to the edge when printed. Now add your text boxes. You'll need one for the recipient's name, another for the award title or reason, one for the date, and spaces for signatures. Create a visual hierarchy. Make the recipient's name the most prominent, place the award title slightly smaller above or below it, and keep the supporting details like the date and signatures readable but not overpowering. If you're including signature lines, draw a neat line with the signer's title underneath. Let's style it with decorative fonts and colors. Pair a standout display font for the title or name with a clean serif or sans serif for the body text. Limit yourself to 2 or 3 fonts total to maintain a polished look. Choose a simple color palette, perhaps a rich accent color paired with black or dark gray, and ensure there's enough contrast for easy reading. To personalize the certificate, insert images, logos, or borders. Place your logo in a corner or the header, using a high-resolution file so it prints crisply. Add a thin border or a subtle ornamental frame to define the edges without clutter. Keep spacing consistent around all elements so the layout breathes. Before finishing, align everything neatly using grids or guides. Turn on rulers, guides, and snap-to features to line up edges and center key elements. Distribute items evenly, match margins on all sides, and group related pieces so they stay aligned as you fine-tune. A quick zoom-in pass helps catch small misalignments. Finally, save or download your certificate as a PDF for the best printing and sharing results. Use a high-quality setting and embed fonts if your software offers it. Now you're ready to print professionally or send a polished digital certificate with confidence.